Hi everyone, it's Wendy Kohler here, and for your essential oil tutorial today, I want to introduce you to ginger essential oil. If you're familiar with ginger at all, you're probably familiar with its digestive properties or the way we use ginger as a herb in our cooking. But it's so much more than that, and I can't wait to dive in today with you for aromatic uses, topical uses, and internal uses. With doTERRA, we source our ginger from Madagascar, and it's a rhizome. So they dig that up and then they distill it down, and we get our beautiful essential oil. It's an oil for digestion, soothing, and empowerment. So I'll also talk about the emotional uses of ginger as well. So first of all, let's start with it's how you're going to use it aromatically. Well, the easiest thing to do is if you have any digestive issues, if you're car sick, if you're pregnant and you have morning sickness, then you can simply just take a drop, put it in your hands, rub it together, and inhale. Okay, nice deep breaths. You could also just simply inhale from the bottle, or if you're prone to car sickness or you're at work and you can't have your oils on you all the time, and you have nausea, then you can use an aroma inhaler. This is a really easy tip that you can use, especially if you're pregnant and you're feeling morning sickness. I know that was not a fun time for me. As far as other aromatic uses, you can use it to help promote energy when you're feeling tired and sluggish in the afternoon. An oil that I like to combine ginger with is wild orange, but any citrus oil is going to make a great combination. As far as use in aromatherapy, you can use ginger to support coughs and colds. I like diffusing it in the wintertime or times of high threats with easy air or eucalyptus for a beautiful combination. Just use 2 to 3 drops of each in your diffuser, and you can support your respiratory system that way. Now, let's move on to topical uses. This is a really popular way to use ginger oil. I always dilute my essential oils with carrier oil, like fractionated coconut oil. But one of the main ones is nausea. Another use is bloating or any digestive discomfort in general, whether that's vomiting all the way to constipation. You can apply ginger essential oil with some carrier oil and rub in a clockwise direction on your abdomen. You can also massage it in gently. It's used in our Symphony of Cells protocol for digestion as well. Other topical uses are for joint support. So if in aromatherapy, it's used for things like arthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. So you'd apply a drop of ginger oil with carrier oil to an area of concern. Let's say it's your knee, let's say it's your hip, wherever you're experiencing the discomfort, because it's an antispasmodic oil that's going to soothe the muscles. It's also soothing your digestion if you've got that crampy stomach, because it's an antispasmodic oil. You can use it in a general massage over the body, again with a carrier oil, and it's going to give you a warming, soothing, stimulating feeling to it. Okay, so those are some topical uses for you. Internal uses of ginger essential oil. Now, just to clarify, as I always do, I'm only talking about doTERRA oils for internal use, but you can use it for, again, digestion. So take 1 drop in water, 1 drop in some bubbly water, 1 drop in some tea, or if the flavor is strong for you, you can use a veggie capsule where you just pop your essential oil drops into the capsule, click it together, and take it internally to support smooth digestion, regular digestion, and reduce any cramping or if you have any spasms down there. You can also put a drop in water and gargle if you have a sore throat. And it's really nice to make like a nice refreshing lemonade in the summer with some lemon essential oil, water, lemon juice, maybe a little honey and some ginger. And if you're looking for an adult beverage, go ahead and add a drop of ginger to a Moscow Mule for a zingy, fun addition to it. Energetically or emotionally, ginger essential oil is an oil of empowerment and helps us to release a victim mentality by taking responsibility over our life's circumstances. It helps us to be fully present in life and to be creators of our own destiny. It's a warm aroma that invokes a fierceness and a passion for life and allows us to step more fully into being a partner or creator in our life. And I love the Essential Emotions book for the uses of ginger in there. So an oil of empowerment, breathe it in, put it in a diffuser with some citrus oils or other spice oils, or take it internally as well, 1 to 2 drops in a capsule or under the tongue. So those are just some general uses of ginger essential oil. You can find some protocols on your Droply app. If you're part of my team, you get that for free from me, or you can get the Advanced Oil Magic book, and there are protocols in here for nausea, for vomiting, for constipation, for immune support, for congestion and cough, for flu and cold, and cooking. So there are protocols in this book that you'll have to look up on your own, or the Essential Life textbook is another brilliant textbook I love looking at for uses. So those are some general uses of ginger essential oil. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please feel free to subscribe to my page or like it and share it to share the information on natural health, because using consistent over-the-counters is not very good for your body. I'm not sure if you know that yet, but if not, do a little bit of research. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoy ginger essential oil.